Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? We are solving the book exercises of the chapter. So, at the time of solving the exercises, I am giving you the explanation also. So, take one rough copy and pencil and note down the answers. Okay. D. We are on question number D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are nutrients? So student, first of all, one time more I give you the explanation of all the nutrients, and then you will write the answer what are nutrients. In this manner, one time more we will revise the topic. Question number D, answer the following questions. What are nutrients? So student, see student, food are the very important for us, because our body cannot make the nutrients. Our body cannot make the nutrients. So, how we are getting these nutrients? Student, we are getting these nutrients from the food which we eat. We are getting these nutrients from the food which we are eating. So student, food not only provides energy required to perform various functions of the body. It means the food which we are eating, that food give us energy to perform various functions of the body. And student, it is also essential for the growth and development of the body, and it also protects us from different diseases. You know student, all animals as well as plants need food for their growth and development. And when we are talking about the living things, then we studied it into three categories: plants, animals, and human beings. But you know that student, plants can only prepare their own food. So green plants prepare their own food with the help of water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. And this process is known as photosynthesis. And this process is known as photosynthesis. A part of the food prepared by the green plant is used for their growth. The food which is prepared by the green plant is used for their growth, and student, rest of the food, what's happened? And rest is stored in various parts of a plant, like roots, stem, leaves, and fruits. So student, human beings as well as other animals get their food from plants and animals. Now, when we are talking about the different types of a food, then it is divided into three types. It is divided into three types: energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. So, student, energy giving food. So, what are these? See, student, we do lot of activities and work in our day-to-day life. So, we need food, because when we eat food, we get energy to perform different work and activities, like you run, you play cricket, you play football, you are swimming, you are cycling. So for all these, the energy, how you are getting this energy? You are getting this energy by eating the food. Even you are doing study, thinking, writing, for all these things also you need energy. And from where we are getting this energy, student? We are getting this energy from energy giving food. And do you know, student, which nutrients you are getting by eating energy giving food? The nutrients are carbohydrates and fats. Okay, so these are the nutrients which you are getting in your diet by eating energy giving food. And name of the nutrients are carbohydrates and fat. So student, people who do lot of physical work needs lot of energy giving food. And some of the examples are potato, banana, sugar cane, etc. So these are the example. But see student, when we are talking about the fat give more energy than carbohydrates. Is it clear? Carbohydrate and fats both are energy giving nutrients. Both are energy giving nutrients. But student, do you know fat give more energy than carbohydrate? But consuming too much fat in our diet is not good. मतलब ऐसी चीज़ें खाना जिसमें फैट न्यूट्रिएंट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा अगर इसे खाने लगें तो ये हमारे हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता है. What is the reason? The reason is that extra fat is stored in our body. जो एक्स्ट्रा फैट होता है, अगर हम फैट वाले फूड बहुत ज़्यादा खाएं तो जो बेटा एक्स्ट्रा फैट होता है ना वो बॉडी में स्टोर हो जाता है अंडर द स्किन, एंड दिस इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. It increase the body weight also, and if your body weight increase, so it is not good for their health. And the only way to reduce the body weight is you have to do lot of exercises. You have to do lot of exercises. So that is energy giving food. Then bodybuilding food. See, bodybuilding food help us to grow and to repair the muscles. And examples are eggs, meat, cottage cheese, etc. So, student, bodybuilding food. Do you know which nutrients you are getting by eating bodybuilding food? We are getting protein. We are getting protein. We are getting protein. So this is a very important nutrient. That is the reason it is also known as bodybuilding food, because we need more protein in our diet, because for the growth and development of the body. So student, you need more protein in your diet. रीजन, बेटा आप लोग की ग्रोथ हो रही है, आप टॉल हो रहे हो, आपकी बॉडी स्ट्रांग हो रही है. इज इट क्लियर? तो आपके बोन्स और मसल्स की ग्रोथ के लिए आपको डाइट में क्या चाहिए? प्रोटीन चाहिए. क्योंकि प्रोटीन क्या है? बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड है. तो और यू नो स्टूडेंट, आवर बॉडी इज मेड ऑफ very small parts called cells, and cell is, these cells when damaged, they are also repair due to the nutrient protein, and the new cells are also formed due to protein. It means our whole body is made of a very small part that is known as protein. So even student, your skin, your hairs, your nails, these are also all made from the protein. Is it clear? That is the reason we say protein as a body building food. All the organs are made of these. So for the growth and development of the body, we need body building food. See, it is also shown in the picture also. What is this? Egg, white gram, meat, cheese, pulses, or this is peas. These are the sources of the food which are rich in protein. Next, see, our body needs nutrient to fight against infection, and these are known as protective food. And from where we are getting this food, student? We are getting this food from fresh fruits and vegetables. And the nutrient which we are getting by eating protective food are vitamins, and minerals. Okay, now see, now note down the answer, because we have discussed what are nutrients. It is divided into three parts: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. Now what are nutrients? Note down the answer. Nutrients are substances. Nutrients are substances that provide nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and growth. So, note down the answer. What are nutrients? Nutrients are substances that provide nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and growth. This is your first answer. Question number 2. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Question number 2. This question. Why do we need food? Just now we discussed, student, that our body cannot make nutrients. Our body cannot make nutrients. So, from where we are getting these nutrients? We are getting these nutrients by eating the food. By eating the food. So, from the food, we are getting different types of nutrients. Is it clear? So, why do we need food? Note down the answer. We need food because we need food because food give us. Then write the first point: energy to work. First point is energy to point number 1. Energy to work. Okay. Second point: help us to grow. Help us to grow. We need food because food gives us, first point, energy to work. Second point, help us to grow. Then third point, keep us healthy. Keep us healthy and strong. So these are the 3 points. We need food because food gives us, first point, energy to work. Second point, help us to grow. And third point, keep us healthy and strong. Is it clear? Now, next question. Question number 3. Why should we drink 8-10 glasses of water every day? Why should we drink 8 or 10 glasses of water every day? So student, when I explained you about water, at that time I explained you water are not the nutrients, but they are very important part of the body. Most of the function of our body is not possible without water. The food which we eat. So what's happened? All the nutrients are absorbed in it, and due to it, these nutrients are circulated to different parts of the body, because every part need energy to perform various functions. Is it clear? And it also help to remove the wastage from our body. It also help us to remove the waste from the body. When blood is filtered by the kidney, then waste is removed in the form of a urine. The waste is removed in the form of a urine. Even it maintains the body temperature also. Water maintains the body temperature also. Note down the answer. Why should we drink 8 or 10 glasses of water every day? So here we drink, you will write the answer from here. We drink 8-10 glasses of water every day because every day because what is the reason? Because water helps in because water helps in good digestion and absorption of the nutrients of our food? Answer is we should drink 8-10 glasses of water every day because water helps in good digestion and absorption of the nutrients of our body. So this is the answer number 3. Next, how does question number 4. How does exercise help us to be fit? How does exercise help us to be fit? So, student, note down the answer. Answer number 4. Exercises keep our body fit and healthy. Answer number 4. Exercises keep our body fit and healthy. Okay. Exercises keep our body fit and healthy. Playing game is a good exercise which keep our body strong and active. Playing game is good exercise which keep our body strong and active. So this is the complete answer. We have completed all the 4 answers we have discussed. What are nutrients? Why do we need food? Why should we drink 8-10 glasses of water every day? And next, how does exercise help us to be fit? Hot question we can discuss. We will not write hot question in our classwork copy. Yes, if let discuss it, but we will not write. Why acid people given bodybuilding food? Because bodybuilding food are very important in their diet. They help in the growth and development of the body parts. Okay. They make the muscles, bones of your body and many other parts of your body. So that is the reason the people who are sick given bodybuilding food. And the next question. In summer, juicy citrus fruits and watermelon are hot favorites. Why? See, student, in summer, juicy citrus fruits and watermelon are our hot favorite. Reason. What is the reason? Reason is that these foods contain lot of water in them. So, and in summer season, due to hot climate, lot of water is waste from body. So, and water is very important for the digestion. So we have to eat these types of fruit, and because these fruits contains lot of water, that is the reason. In summer, juicy citrus fruits and watermelon are favorite because they contain lot of water in them. Now this activity, student, do this activity in your home to check whether the food you are eating is healthy for you. Write down all that you eat. Write down all that you ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now divide these food items. You have to root. You have to write the name of the energy giving food which you have eaten. Then you have to write the name of a bodybuilding food which you have eaten. And then you have to write the protective food which you have eaten. Water and glasses. It means in one day how many glasses of water you drink. And after that you will see this chart, and then you will understand that the food which you are eating, that is balanced diet, healthy food for you or not. Is it clear, student? Thank you all of you.